Hey guys, so today we're gonna get the body off of the hot rod truck and put it on a body buck. So pretty much something that I'm gonna build to make sure the whole truck and the fiberglass body for the truck isn't just resting on the ground. So stay tuned and we'll get this body off. Hopefully it goes well.
Okay, come on.
Okay, so how you're gonna lift it, you're just gonna kind of pull out right here and then lift straight up. Okay.
Am I pulling this way first?
No, we're gonna pull straight up first because
Okay.
we need to clear this bar.
Okay.
So, ready? No, both hands down here. See what I'm saying? And we're not clearing. We need more. More height. Okay, so pull your end out right there. Yeah, pull out towards you.
So how are you gonna do it?
Not in a very fun way.
Okay.
What?
Uh-huh.
Should it clear?
I don't know. We're about to find out.
We are about to find out.
We might as well move it a little further, baby.
Okay. A little further it is.
Because I don't want to risk this thing. I didn't realize that was there.
How you doing?
Hello.
Hello.
Alright,
Right there.
I think we're good.
Think we're good?
Is it rolling?
Not anymore.
Okay, let's do it. Hi, Lily. How you doing, girl? Hi. Are you wondering about a project? Me too.
It'll be something.
It will be something.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Alrighty. Go ahead, sit down on the ground.
Why?
Because you're not going to enter the garage door at that height, honey.
Okay.
Hey guys, so you guys just witnessed the utter fiasco it took to get the body off of the car. So one thing I didn't think about, the truck is much taller than all the other Factory 5 vehicles, especially when it comes to the body and the roll cage frame. So we had to pull the body, as you saw, to the driveway, which was a lot of fun. It took a little bit of ingenuity, but we got it done. But now what I'm gonna show you is kind of like the buck that I built. So this, I designed this to be pretty much the ride height of the truck. So yeah, this is the exact ride height that I want the truck to be at. This is roughly 4.5 inches from the ground. The angle of the nose, I'm not exactly sure how that's really gonna fall. I'd have to wait till I get it on the body on the frame to see. But the cab is actually exact ride height, and as you can see, it pretty much goes to my chest, which is pretty cool. And I built this. This is the stainless steel like bed liner, and this I just kind of have everything stored on top of here except for the side panels, just so I can kind of get an idea of what this truck's gonna look like, space consideration, size. And I have to say it, I'm in love, and this thing's gonna be awesome. So yeah. All right guys, so thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to really watch my videos. Stay tuned next. I'm trying to keep a very consistent upload schedule. We're already filming on the next thing, and we actually start working on the chassis, so stay tuned. Have a good one. Peace.